I became involved with Thermomix after buying mine and spreading the love about it to all my clients at the cooking school. Nobody had seen them before, and I just loved that it had scales in it and kneaded stuff and just mixed up sorbets in a minute that I was sold, and I started just telling people about it. I started off as a consultant just because we were starting up the cooking school, so I had some time to be able to sort of focus on selling and becoming a consultant. So even though I might not have been a sales consultant, certainly my role, I think once a sales consultant, always a sales consultant, whether you're doing it or not. But the flexibility of just saying, okay, look, I'm a Thermomix ambassador or a sales consultant or just a lover of Thermomix, and it just makes it free to be able to do what you want.